5 of them together. I just want just a little bit of background. And if you want your string to be thin, you're gonna pick up just a little bit. You don't want to pick up too much of your weaver gel because it's so pigmented, and then if you pick it too much, then it's gonna make your string so thick. So if you want your strings, all the strings right here, the lines thin, you pick it just a little bit. Little go a long way. In this case, it's less is more. Sometimes you hear me always say less is like more is better, but this doesn't apply to this. So, all right. Sorry, I keep moving my hands so much. Great. So I'm gonna flash here for 30 seconds. I don't know how long I'm gonna take to use this part. I can't wait to do this. It's gonna be so much fun, and it's gonna be more colors on your way. There's gonna be a total of 16 different color of weaver gels you're gonna get soon in the future. It's coming, it's coming. I'm so excited. All right, so that's good. Who's by?
Some really mean people. Sarisa reported, and I'll ban her.
Oh. All right, so now we're gonna do in the condensed glue gel. And we're gonna apply the condensed glue gels on the top of, well,
Anyway, yeah, she should be gone. If she pop back up, let me know.
all right, so blend that one. Oh, what's going on? I don't know.
Don't worry about it. Not worth your time.
Okay, so next is a no wipe top coat. Floating on the top of the condensed glue gel. And now we're gonna play with our dozen scale. What do I have in there? I think and it's the best way to do with your dragon scale to make it really easy and simple is to do like a center first, and then you're gonna put it on the side. And I place them really close, tight to next to each other. It looks like you're playing puzzles. And continue with this. You can even do it whole nails with this cute dragon scale, and then you can do it any colors with the different seasons. So you have a centers right there. You can do great. Piece of paper. And then I'm gonna do on this side. You have, if you're doing it, you want to look like that design. You make sure it's all of them on the diagonal line up like this, or they all line up like this. And you can't. Now, if you want to do like either you can do a bars, which is a frames, or you can do a crystals along with that. So, however you would like to. Let's see what we're gonna play with this one. Can I get another tray? Please, thank you. And I am going to like have frame this with crystal clear. What's funny is I have so many in here that I couldn't find it. All right, maybe that one right there. I need some more, the smaller, clear. And some more the smaller clear.
Okay.
The smaller side of clear. The smaller side on the edges right there. If you want to frame that, you can get it like all same size. I'm just have so many crystal on this tray right now. I'm trying to get the size that I want. Right there, I found a lot of them on the side. And make sure you count it like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one the same 1, 2, 3, 4, so they're all the same size. Like they're not have like one side 5 crystals and the others only have 4. I mean, just to make them even. If you are like really OCD about that, like me. I do the dragon scale on this one. This silver. I'm putting a smaller size. Great. So if you really like this look, then we can cure this for 60 seconds. I'm cure it like flat.